I'm going to open my 3ds Max, Ambient Light Max, and I'm gonna go here to the V-Ray Ambient Light, click on it and drag it here. Now let's go and start our render. And we can see that this is slowly, it's hard to see, I hope you can see this in the recording, but we're getting those nice soft shadows here already starting to work. So let's go to our parameters here, and I'm gonna stop it and put it on the interactive mode so we can start interacting with this. And if I lift up my intensity, I can see that it's working here. I can change the color. And I can also check my global illumination and V-Ray lighting, which are being added in the rendering elements panel right here. So I can click add and get global illumination and lighting just to examine what we're doing. So if I go to global illumination, you can see this pass appears a little bit better here. We can see what's actually going on. And in the V-Ray lighting, we can see that it's only affecting, the light only affects the vase because it's set up to direct NGI. If we switch this to just direct light, you can see that we're getting only direct light into the image and compared to direct light NGI. Or we can switch only to GI, and then we will get pretty much same thing as we have in the GI pass. So direct light, if we go to lighting, this is what we're gonna get in the lighting pass, and this is what we're gonna get in our RGB. Okay, so we can use here either direct with GI, just direct light, or GI. Those are cool options. Now let's put this back to 1 and open my material slot, and I'm going to drag and drop map of checkers. Click instance, and voila, we can see procedural checkers working pretty well. We can see how the depth of field working here pretty nicely, and how the whole scene get affected by that light. Now we also have ambient occlusion, which is made from V-Ray dirt. And V-Ray dirt, if we go here, standard V-Ray, we choose V-Ray material, click OK. Here on the map we can go and select V-Ray dirt, right? If we click OK, we get this V-Ray dirt map. So I got it right here also already set up with a 5 centimeter radius and occluded color and unoccluded color. So let's drag this right here instead of checkers. Click instance. We can see that we're getting ambient occlusion really well, working well here. The mode, of course, set to ambient occlusion. We can see V-Ray dirt parameters. We can increase or decrease the radius. That means how accurate and how soft are the shadows going to be here. We can also control how dark the shadow is going to be. As you can see, this is much darker, those are much lighter. So we have occluded and unoccluded color. So unoccluded is the light color for the map. And we have a bunch of other parameters that we're going to check in depth when we get to materials. V-Ray Dirt is a great pass in order to get ambient occlusion into your images. All right. So I hope you guys enjoyed this demonstration. Go check out this light, test it out. It's going to give this extra to your photorealistic images.